This is our Gravity Feed Racing Fall Season 2020 lineup of the fastest 70s muscle car class. Here we have, in no particular order, a 75 Dodge Dart Sport, which is a current champion. We have the bootlegger 1970 and a half Camaro, which is a brand new car, first running. And then we have the 1972 Pontiac GTO. This is the Burns Goat. This is the second contender qualifier for the runner-up position. These cars will be battling it out in the 3-ounce division. So let's have our official weigh-in of the champion, which is coming in 3.00. You made weight, champ. All right, I hope you keep your title. Number 2, Burns Goat, 72 Goat, coming in. Come on. There you go. 3.00. You made weight, brother. Good for you. Hope you take that title this year. And then our final weigh-in's going to be going in at 3.00. That is the bootlegger Camaro. Good luck to you, sir. All right. That is the official weigh-in for the 1970s fastest muscle car class. Good luck to you, gentlemen.